Since 1981, CTEC has been developing an enviable portfolio of life safety products. Products that are routinely specified by architects, designers and installers to protect and enhance the lives of millions of people in more than 60 countries worldwide. CTEC is a leading UK independent manufacturer of quality fire alarm control panels, fire detectors, voice alarms.
This is an emergency.
Disabled refuge systems.
Hello?
Audio frequency induction loop equipment.
Good morning, CTEC.
Call systems. And infrared staff protection systems. The company's strength lies in its ability to identify niche markets and then produce quality products quickly and efficiently at competitive prices. To drive this process, CTEC has invested massively in research and development. These quiet, open-plan surroundings, with their intelligent features like this ceiling conduit enclosing over 2 kilometers of fire panel test cabling, or this custom-built EMC test laboratory, provides staff with the most up-to-date equipment in which to do research and develop new products.
So the mid-dimension wants to be about 70mm. It is. Looks well. It's a good fit.
Perfect.
Back at CTEC's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Wigan, research is turned into reality as new products such as CTEC's new range of conventional and addressable smoke and heat detectors are brought to life. Quality design and construction from a proud British manufacturer. CTEC's detectors are certified to EN 54 by international approval body Intertek. And they carry the Pan-European Cert Alarm System 5 mark. In addition to its Intertek certifications, CTEC has product and factory process approvals from 3 other notified bodies: the Loss Prevention Certification Board, the British Standards Institute, the VDS. On the shop floor, a dedicated and highly skilled workforce operate modern production lines. Investment in state-of-the-art equipment is key to CTEC's commitment to manufacturing excellence across all their products. Open protocol in software design is another example of how CTEC strive to give customers choice and the systems they want.
Just wanted you to go on.
Central to the operation at CTEC is a management system that tracks all aspects of the business, from the moment a sales order is received,
Okay, we received that order on Wednesday.
through to customer fulfillment. The system ensures the right components are available for the right products at the right time. On the shop floor, each production cell knows instantly what products to run to keep stock levels ahead of demand. And at any one time, CTEC has 95% of its products in stock and ready for dispatch. The company's motto, "You're safe with CTEC," sums up a philosophy of reliability and durability, backed by a solid commitment to service.
Is it addressable or conventional?
Experienced technical support staff are on hand in a dedicated unit where they offer comprehensive and practical advice
That's no problem.
by phone, fax or email.
Just turn the key into the on position.
Free training sessions are regularly held by CTEC technicians to help installers keep up to date and give them engineering advice on how to install and commission CTEC's life safety products.
It could take about 4 minutes.
Designed so you can extend an adjustable fire alarm system.
And the company makes technical presentations to key decision makers too, as part of its commitment to continuing professional development.
On the system.
A large part of CTEC's success and its considerable year-on-year growth is down to its staff, and the company has won many awards for its investment in people.
Quality of the finish of the base.
CTEC has a proud tradition of excellence and an unwavering commitment to improvement and reinvestment. In the world of life safety and fire protection technology, you're more than safe with CTEC.